How I actually think about this is I think the opportunity here is the space is 2.5 trillion today. I think it's going to 100 trillion in line with other asset classes. So that's the biggest macro trade of all time and the largest generation of wealth in all human history. That's the trade. How you want to slice and dice that? Yeah, how you want to slice and dice that's up to you. What risk tolerance you have, but that's the trade. When I first did the first piece of work on Bitcoin back in 2013, I said it was worth $1 million.
Yeah.
And I don't think that's wildly wrong. If Bitcoin's at $1 million, the space is somewhere close to my target of 100 trillion, or maybe it's 50 trillion. Doesn't matter.
Crypto is about to 50x from a $2 trillion asset class today to being a $100 trillion asset class by 2030. This is the latest message out from macroeconomic expert Raoul Pal. In his latest interview, Raoul Pal outlines why in the long run, crypto adoption is inevitable. It doesn't matter who gets elected in November, it doesn't matter who is head of the SEC. Crypto has reached escape velocity, and at this point it is unstoppable. Make sure to watch to the end of this video, where Raoul breaks down where he thinks we are in the liquidity cycle. Also, if you enjoy listening to crypto-related content, please show your support by liking and subscribing to this channel by following the link in my bio and get access to my free daily crypto updates and expert predictions direct to your inbox. Each newsletter contains market intelligence, on-chain data and latest updates from experts in the crypto space. All of this is available completely free of charge. Signing up only takes a moment and you can always change your mind later on. Now back over to Raoul Pal.
I don't want to give price predictions because the internet is an ugly place and you just get beaten over the head by it. So there's no point. The whole space goes up a lot. I think
over 100.
Solana does maybe 10x from here and Bitcoin does 5x or 4x from here. That kind of stuff. Typical bull market. And then there'll be the main thing that I'm starting to think through is there is always another layer one race, which is early stage when you don't have proven network effects. That bet is actually a good bet. It's not one you go all in on, but that bet was the Solana bet of last cycle, the ETH bet of the previous cycle. So I'm starting to think through that because, I don't trade, don't do anything. I just sit with my portfolio. So I'm thinking through that because I reckon there's a really good trade to come. And it's a lot of fun, but it comes very quickly and it usually gets overvalued and then goes down 95% afterwards. We've been in this space for so long and we've had China ban it 3 times, India ban it twice, the US be pro it against it, the Europeans hate it, and it's made no fucking difference.
It's
adopted about
it's over. Gensler could become the president and it wouldn't matter. It's finished. It's decentralized. It's all over the world. If the US wants to, get in the way of innovation for 4 years, somewhere else will pick it up. Look, do you remember in 2021 when we all said, oh my goodness, if China, bans Bitcoin and they kick out the miners because all the Bitcoin's being mined in China, right. It's over for the space. It's over. The thing went down for a few days. Every time Europe comes out and they're going to put it's all nonsense.
It's noise. It's
telling
all noise. It's just noise.
I can't believe how many times it's just powered through all of the human stupidity out there. And Gensler is the greatest representative of that human stupidity. Seriously. So good luck. Become treasury guy. Good luck to you. I just look, all the hand wringing that goes on. I think it's part of the emotion.
Yeah, a bull market's job is to try and throw you off. Right. This is a clear, clean macro case for a secular bull market that continues. So your job is just not to get thrown off by the FUD. People find every reason not to do something when all you have to do is buy it and then not do anything.
It's like this is the digitization of money and value. Sure. It's really straightforward. I don't know that anyone is going to stop that. It's just like the internet. It's the same thing. That was for ideas and information. People were afraid, dissemination of ideas. The whole world will come to an end. The world didn't end. NASDAQ went up 50x, right? It's the same thing. So Gensler and whatever, it's not going to matter.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe for news and expert predictions direct to your inbox.